If your life feels like a never-ending drama filled with toxic people, maybe it's time to turn to some ancient wisdom. Powerful Stoic quotes on dealing with toxic people. 1. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. 2. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. 3. He who laughs at himself never runs out of things to laugh at. 4. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. 5. People are not disturbed by things but by the views they take of them. 6. When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive. 7. Don't explain your philosophy, embody it. 8. The more we value things outside our control, the less control we have. 9. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. So know that you have the power to rise above the noise and negativity. Check out the full-length video to learn how ancient Stoics successfully dealt with their haters at Stoic Rise 365. Peace.